In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your voicemail on iPhone or Android. Firstly, on iPhone, tap the phone app icon on your iPhone. Tap the voicemail in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then set up in the middle of the screen. Enter a 4 to 6 digit PIN for your voicemail, and re-enter it to confirm. Select either the default greeting or tap Custom to record a personalized greeting. If you choose Custom, record your greeting after the prompt, and then tap Done in the top right corner to finish the setup. On Android, tap the phone app on your Android device. Dial your phone number from the keypad and call it. Follow the voice prompts to select your preferred language. Press 1 for English or 2 for Spanish, and press hashtag to confirm your selection. Enter a 4 to 6 digit PIN and press hashtag, and then re-enter it, and then press hashtag. Follow the prompts to choose your greetings, and press 1 to record a custom one, or 2 to use a standard greeting. And now your voicemail mailbox set up and ready to use. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.